Title: Business Plan for a Blockchain-Based Fintech Innovation. Introduction. This business plan's goals are to introduce a brand new fintech innovation built on a blockchain application and create a strategy for its commercial launch. The suggested invention uses blockchain technology to change procedures, boost security, and increase efficiency in order to suit the changing demands of the financial industry. The innovation's argument and reasoning, as well as the marketing plan, are described in this paper. In conclusion, the suggested fintech innovation creates a safe, open, and effective platform for diverse financial activities by fusing the power of blockchain technology with financial services. Cross-border payments, identity verification, supply chain financing, and asset tokenization are just a few of the industries that the invention hopes to transform by utilizing blockchain's decentralized nature, immutability, and smart contract capabilities. Market need and demand. The conventional banking system has several difficulties, including high costs, sluggish transaction speeds, a lack of transparency, and security flaws. Innovative solutions that may solve these issues and provide a more effective and safe financial environment are in greater demand. Blockchain technology adoption in the banking sector has acquired a lot of traction and offers a chance to upend the status quo. B. Competitive landscape. The blockchain-based fintech sector has some established firms, but it is still in its infancy, so there is potential for new entrants with distinctive value propositions. Our invention will set itself apart with a broad range of financial services, an intuitive user interface, scalability, and a keen emphasis on regulatory compliance. C. Regulatory and legal obstacles. One of the most important aspects of the fintech sector is regulatory compliance. Our new technology will abide by all applicable financial laws, including those pertaining to Know Your Customer, KYC, and Anti-Money Laundering, AML. To guarantee a successful start and steady growth, cooperation with regulatory organizations and financial institutions will be given top priority. New product service development. The following functions and services will be provided by our suggested innovation. A. Cross-border payments using blockchain technology facilitate quick, inexpensive, and secure cross-border transactions, do away with middlemen, and speed up settlement times. B. Identity verification. Use blockchain to provide a decentralized identity verification system that will let users share and preserve their personal information in a safe manner, improving security and privacy. C. Supply chain financing. Create a platform that enables transparent and effective supply chain financing by utilizing the traceability and smart contract features of blockchain, lowering fraud, and enhancing suppliers' access to credit. D. Asset tokenization. Enable the tokenization of physical assets like real estate or works of art in order to promote accessibility, fractional ownership, and liquidity for these traditionally illiquid assets. Commercial plan and market positioning. A. Target market. To begin with, we will concentrate on SMEs and people engaged in international trade, supply chain financing, and asset management. Significant development and acceptance prospects for blockchain-based financial services are presented by this market category. B. Value proposition. By streamlining current procedures, reducing operational inefficiencies, and boosting confidence between parties to transactions, our invention will offer affordable, secure, and user-friendly financial services. C. Marketing and distribution channels. We use a multi-channel marketing approach, which will include digital marketing campaigns, strategic alliances with financial institutions, and focused outreach to prospective clients. We will make use of online platforms and mobile apps to offer simple access to our services. D. Revenue model. Transaction fees, subscription-based pricing schemes, and value-added services will all be used to create income. Our platform's scalability will enable prospective development into other income sources in the future. Financial predictions. Revenue predictions, cost analysis, break-even analysis, and cash flow estimates are all part of the financial forecasts. The predicted financial performance and expansion potential of the company over a specific time period will be described in this section. Risk evaluation. Potential risks, including those related to scaling issues, market competitiveness, security flaws, and legislative changes will be assessed. We'll create mitigation tactics and backup plans to properly manage these risks. Conclusion. By providing safe, effective, and transparent financial services, the suggested fintech innovation based on blockchain technology has the potential to significantly disrupt the financial sector. We want to attract investors and establish ourselves as a leader in the blockchain-based fintech industry. To do this, we will use a thorough market study, a compelling value proposition, and a complete business plan. Strategic alliances, regulatory adherence, and a user-centric strategy are all essential for the innovation's commercial launch to be successful and gain market share.